Hello friends, welcome and hope you are doing well. Today I want to share with you about this amazing peeling mask from The Ordinary. You can buy this at Ulta or their online store for like $8, so it's pretty inexpensive and it's perfect for those at-home spa. Yes, I discovered this product through TikTok in all its glory, but unfortunately it might be sold out or out of stock due to the increased demand for this product. Since this is an acid-based mask, I would recommend this for non-sensitive skin types and for those who purchase this bottle to read very carefully at the instructions. It says to leave on for no more than 10 minutes, so follow the procedures. And I would recommend putting sunscreen immediately after you wash off this mask because your skin is going to be really sensitive after this peel. Alright, let's get started. So I'm going to use this little scrunchy thing so I can get all my hair out of the way and ready for this process. Alright, first I have to cleanse my face, so I'm gonna choose either the Origins Ginseng Scrub for the morning. But for this video, I'm just going to be using the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser for all skin types, and I will be using this right now. After doing all that cleansing procedure, I'm going to move on to the peeling solution here. As you can see here, it's like a pipette thing that you just put on your face, and then I'm just going to put it on the 4 areas on my face. Oops, it looks like I got a nosebleed right there. And then I'm just going to massage the solution into my skin and coat it evenly. And yes, I got it on my scrunchy thing and I'm super paranoid about it now. After evenly spreading it out through my face, just leave for 10 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
Just a warning, make sure not to wear anything white or any clothing that you adore because you're gonna get it ruined no matter what because of this dye in the peeling solution. They suggest you to use this 2 days max per week because this is a acid-based solution. So when I first put it on, it had a tingling sensation, like it kind of burned. But then again, I knew that it was the solution doing its job. The deep red color is made from the black carrot and the Tasmanian pepperberry juice. After the time was up, I rinsed off everything off my face and make sure you completely get rid of all of the mask off your face. To revive my skin with hydration, I'm just going to use this Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray and pat it all over. Lastly, I'm going to moisturize my face with this SPF 30 moisturizer. I strongly suggest y'all to use the moisturizer that has SPF after using this mask in the morning when you do use it because the UV rays really will harm your skin after all the dead skin cells are peeled off your face. But if you're doing this peel at night, just skip this step and just moisturize. And voila! I really hope you guys enjoyed this little quick demo and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!